Yo people, welcome back City Hunters. New day, new vlog from Boblingen. Today we're in Boblingen. That's an area around Stuttgart in Germany. It's maybe 20 minutes drive from here. So today I want to give you guys our apartment tour. It's like I said, in the area of Boblingen, and I'll turn my camera and then you guys can see the apartment. So stay with me and catch you guys later. Take care, peace out, ciao. Okay, so I've already opened up the door, and if you open up the door, then you'll see the main hall. So let me close the door first. Yes, the door is closed. So if you walk inside, when you walk inside of this apartment, then you'll see different sections of this apartment. So first of all, here you can hang your jackets, your clothes, whatsoever. And from here onwards, let me go straight. Then you'll see a small dining table, 4 persons. You'll see a drawer, a microwave, and below us you've got a restaurant. So these are the restaurant employees, and not sure if you can see this, but this lady, she's the owner of this apartment. So she's got like 11 to 15 apartments in this region, which she is renting out. So if I walk further, then you'll see room number 1. You've got a TV, you've got a sofa where you can sit, and you've got 2 single beds where people can lie down. Also, you've got the outside view. I mean, this area is hilly, I would say. It's quite beautiful. I mean, you can see some nice houses around this area, and you will see some, it's hilly area, so it's up and down. Okay, if then let me enter the bathroom. This is 1 bathroom, and a basic toilet, of course, a shower cabin. So this is one area. I mean, you got a hair dryer as well. So yeah, if I walk forward, but first let me turn off the lights. Now moving forward to another section. Here you see a door, so let me open this door and open up the lights. This is bathroom number 2. So you'll see again a toilet, a sink, a mirror, and a shower cabin. So yeah, I've shown you this. Now let's move forward. You'll see a small fridge, coffee machine, and another machine to warm up your water. A big mirror here, of course. This is the mirror, and a washing machine as well. And you got the kitchen as well. So this is the kitchen area, as you guys can see, and you can wash your clothes, of course, and you can put something in the fridge. So let me move to another room. Well, the door is already open. This is one more room. So you've got a double bed, queen king size bed. I have no idea how to call it. You've got a TV, and you've got some drawers with the views as well. I'm not sure if you guys can see it properly, but you've got some views from here, and another drawer. So people, this was a quick room tour of this apartment. Below us, it's good to know you've got a restaurant, so if you're hungry, you don't need to walk far. You just go downstairs and then, yeah, you can get some food. Even the owners of these apartments are living below us. So yeah, if you need any help, they're really helpful and they can like help you with anything what you want. Hope you did like this little tour of this apartment. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Catch you on to the next one. Take care and peace out. Ciao.